And this is the news that's coming in from Virudhanagar district in Tamil Nadu, where at least 3 people have lost their lives after an explosion at a firecracker manufacturing unit in Satur area of the district. The Fire and Rescue Department officials said, and I quote, an explosion took place at a firecracker manufacturing factory in Satur area of Virudhanagar. And it said, according to preliminary information investigation, it's suspected that the blast has occurred while the workers were involved in making of crackers at a firecracker factory in Virudhanagar district of Tamil Nadu. So these are scenes from the explosion site. This is a firecracker manufacturing unit where explosion was reported, in which 3 workers lost their lives. All right, for now, let's take a look at other stories that we're tracking. This is Bharat in 2 minutes. The Aam Aadmi Party leader MP Sanjay Singh has accused Prime Minister Modi of using inappropriate and indecent language in his recent remarks about the party. He criticized the Prime Minister's choice of words and the BJP of misleading the people of the national capital.
देखिए, देश के प्रधानमंत्री की जो भाषा थी वो एक चौराहे छाप नेता की भाषा थी। आप देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं और मैं इसीलिए कहता हूं ये भारतीय झूठा पार्टी है। आप आम आदमी पार्टी जिसने बिजली पे, पानी पे, शिक्षा पे, स्वास्थ्य पे अद्भुत काम करके दिखाया, आप उसको आपदा पार्टी कह रहे हो।
At least 15 flights were diverted at the Delhi airport this morning as a result of low visibility due to dense fog that impacted operations for the second consecutive day due to adverse weather conditions. Many flights were delayed and the country's largest airline, Indigo, temporarily put arrivals and departures on hold. An official said that 15 flights were diverted at the airport between 12:15 a.m. and 1:30 a.m. due to reduced visibility. Jan Swaraj Party Chief Prashant Kishore's fast unto death marked the 3rd day amid cold wave in Patna this morning. He's been protesting to express his support for the BPSC aspirants who've been demanding cancellation of the BPSC examination. ED raids were carried out for the 2nd straight day at DMK General Secretary and Tamil Nadu Water and Resources Minister Durai Murugan's residence. The case pertains to an IT complaint filed in 2019 over alleged tax evasion by the DMK leader.